This video will guide you through the voter journey on Agorize platform.
A voter is a key person in the smooth running of a program. The voter role gives access to the entries submitted by the participants and allows to grade the most relevant submissions. An assessment interface is usually accessible via its URL shared by the organizer. An account is necessary to be able to vote. Quickly create your account by clicking on Create an account to vote and fill in your name, first name, and email address. You now access the assessment platform. Each entry has a thumbnail on which you may find the participation name and summary. Filters can be defined by the admin to help sort the entries according to your preferences, categories, chronology, etc. Click on View Project to access the participation details and all submitted documents. In order to vote, use the blue button and give a score to each criteria. Once completed, click on Submit to confirm your vote. You are able to edit your grade until the end of the assessment session. You can also add a comment to justify your grade. This will be really helpful for the deliberation phase. You can go to the next submission, or click on the cross at the top right of your screen to return to the list of entries. Find at any time on your assessment space the full list of submissions you have already evaluated, modify your score if necessary, and the submissions you have not yet evaluated. Other types of assessment also exist on Agorize, such as the like vote or investment. Check out our video called Assessment Interfaces to learn how to set up a voting platform. Thanks for watching. If you need any further information, please contact our support team at help@agorize.com. Enjoy browsing the platform.